Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a folder in Google Drive. So first of all, we're going to start in the Clever student page for yourself, in this case for Lupito. We're going to scroll down to the district application and we're going to find the Google Drive. Put a heart on it so that it goes to the top to your favorites. So let's check if it's on the top. And then you're gonna click on it and it should open to your page. If you are signed into different accounts, it will sign into a different account. I'm logged in as a teacher, as a student of CSU, so I have several accounts in here. But just go to your computer, to your Clever by clicking on this Google account. You can navigate to your account, to your student account. Once you are on your Google Drive, you're gonna do a right click and click on new folder. So click on new folder and then label your folder. In this case, I'm going to create a math folder. You can create one for language arts, but right now we're worried about creating one for math. And you're gonna hit create. Give it a minute, maybe a second, so that the folder uploads. Once the folder uploads in here, it will show in here, you can drag documents into it. I have a lesson that he completed earlier and he downloaded it to the drive, and then that lesson can be dragged to the inside folder. So once you drag it and drop it there, it's inside the math folder. To open a folder, you can double click on it, and here it is, the lesson that I just dropped. So this is how you create a folder on Google Drive. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.